What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. And today, as you guys saw, we took, well, as you guys didn't see, but as you guys see by the chart, we ended up taking another W. Perfect execution. I mean, we dumped as soon as we got out. And yeah, let me go over daily buys. So today I had marked out 4-hour lows down here, 4-hour highs up here. On the hourly, we had a hourly unmitigated area here, which we did tap into, and I liked the reaction out of it. Had a simple bias, to be honest, today. On the 15-minute, nothing unmitigated areas. Really, we didn't have anything besides the hourly imbalance, which was down here. And yeah, on ES is what we executed on. On NQ, we had the same things, though. Hourly high, 4-hour highs, 4-hour lows, hourly imbalance, right here. We had it marked off, but I deleted it. Okay, and so those were honestly my levels. That's it, right? So once I started liking the reaction out of the hourly imbalance, I had marked off this 5-minute, these two. Oh my gosh, what is this? Whatever. I had marked off this imbalance and this imbalance, right? I saw we inversed it after this. It's currently 9:30. I was waiting till after 10, so news came out, and then I can take my trade. Boom, we end up getting here. We come down, which I liked, right? I liked the retracement before the big move up. Then we end up breaking 5-minute structure and inversing this last 5-minute. After that, I end up seeing on the 15-minute that, so news was coming out at 10, right? And we had a 15-minute imbalance right here. So I end up deleting all these 5-minute imbalances, right? This one and this one, or this one, and the BPRs and all that. And I just had a marked off this 15-minute imbalance right here. And same thing with ES. I ended up deleting or erasing my 5-minute imbalances, which was this one and this one, and I just went to the 15-minute and marked off this imbalance. And at that time, we had came back into 15-minute equilibrium, right, on the 5-minute, right, as you can see from these lows to these highs on ES. I like the ES's price action a lot more, which is why I executed on that. Marked off equilibrium, we come down. As you can see, I like the reaction out of it. After that, I'm looking for a 1-minute inverse, which is right here, right? We had this imbalance, we inverse it with this candle. I enter after this candle again. Once we retap into this inverse, I enter off of this. I like the reaction out of it. I go break even once we go past these highs. Boom, take it to, honestly, my first TP was just going for the 1 to 2, which was, oh wait, let me put this back where I had it down here. 1 to 2. This was my first TP right here. After that, I just took it up to these 15-minute highs. As you can see, on the 15-minute, we had highs up here. These are London highs. I would have liked holding it to here, but I was not trying to get greedy. Just get in and out, take my profits. After that, I sell 3. We were in here with 6 micros. After that, I put the other 3 here, and this is what we end up taking, right? So not a bad day. And yeah, so all in all, what did we have? We had a hourly revisit of a imbalance, which we had a nice reaction out of, right? A high executionable area in the high time frames, which is the hourly. On the 15-minute, we end up revisiting a 15-minute imbalance, right? As you can see right here, if I delete, or if I right? Become where we're displacing up right here. News drops. We come back into this imbalance, which another confluence we used was after that. I mark out equilibrium from these lows to these highs. Boom, respect equilibrium, which is another confluence. And we also had already broken 5-minute structure, right? Pre-market broke 5-minute structure and inversed the last river we had to cross, which was this one. And I like that. So I was waiting for a retracement, which we got after news. And then on the 1 minute, we enter after the inverse and we go for the 1 to 2.46, right? And now we are dumping, as you can see, but that was the trade we took today. Oh yeah, let me show the progress. So we're at 51,234. We were at 5,800 yesterday. Minus 5,800. We made 434 today. Hey man, W's in the chat. W's in the chat. So we made 434 today. We're slowly getting that buffer up now. And yeah, guys, this week 2 for 2 already for this week. And hopefully you guys are also executing, winning, staying disciplined, right? Because that's the best thing we can do. In my head, when we were just pumping pre-market, all this, in my head, I'm just saying, if I don't get a setup, it's okay. We can always try again tomorrow. I don't have to trade every day. And that's something I've come to understand, right? Like, just making these scenarios in my head where it's like, if this happens, then I'll do it. Then I'll take the trade. If this doesn't happen, then I won't trade. Like, I'm just gonna let the market do what it does, and I'll try again tomorrow, right? So, another banger today, boys. We're currently on a streak, to be honest with you guys. I think it's like a 6-day streak or something. I don't know. I gotta go check. But at the end of the day, I don't even care about those things. I just come into the market, try to execute, do what I can. That's it, right? Get in and get out. So hopefully you guys are also winning, taking W's, and if you're not, stay locked, bro. This trading game is like that. It's wins and losses. The losses are inevitable, right? We have to take them every now and then, of course, with risk management. And yeah, guys, that's it. That's the video. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And my Instagram and TikTok are in the description below. If you want to hit a follow. And I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video if I take a trade. Peace and stay blessed. Remember, God did this. I didn't do this. I pray every day before I get on the charts, and I ask for discipline and wisdom. So, God did this. But I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video if I trade. Peace.